This is the summary created from the video. Mobile Cloud Computing II. Mobile devices are becoming increasingly powerful, driving the need for more applications and computing resources. Mobile cloud computing enables running large applications on small devices, data sharing, and interoperability with the Internet of Things. By utilizing cloud services to manage devices and address challenges. One of the key challenges in mobile cloud computing is dynamic partitioning of applications to optimize energy consumption and execution time. This requires middleware to decide which parts run locally on the device and which parts run remotely in the cloud, making it a classic optimization problem. Partitioning program execution across heterogeneous resources like mobile devices and the cloud for energy optimization is a significant challenge. Execution graphs represent methods with attributes like energy consumed locally and during offloading, with the goal of minimizing energy while meeting time thresholds and adhering to constraints. Cloudlets are resource-rich, trusted computers or clusters located near mobile devices, enabling low-latency code offloading. By using a single-hop network and technologies like Wi-Fi or short-range communication, cloudlets can potentially reduce latency and battery consumption compared to offloading directly to the cloud. Energy consumption when offloading computation to the cloud depends on factors like computation, idle time, and data transmission. Offloading saves energy if the cloud's computation speed is significantly faster than the mobile device, and the data transmission cost is low compared to the computation cost. Decision models aim to optimize code offloading by partitioning programs based on energy estimation and profiling data at the procedure call level. These models consider factors like energy savings, latency, and heterogeneity across mobile devices, cloud resources, and wireless networks to provide a seamless user experience. In summary, mobile cloud computing enables running resource-intensive applications on mobile devices by leveraging cloud services and optimally partitioning execution between local and remote components. Cloudlets provide low latency offloading, while decision models optimize offloading process based on energy consumption, latency, and heterogeneity considerations, ultimately aiming for a seamless user experience. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.